Hi Panthers, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super cool Mother's Day card using little paper flowers that you can make with just a couple pieces of colored paper and some scissors. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take this black piece of paper and then I'm going to take a white piece of paper, layer it by cutting this out and putting it on top.
So I need to cut this out so that I can fit on the black piece of paper. Just like this.
And now I'm going to need to tape that down. Next up, you're going to need some colored paper. So I'm going to be using orange, red, and yellow. And what you're going to do is cut little squares. So now you have little squares of different colors. And what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half the other way, fold it diagonally, and fold it diagonally again. And then you're going to take a pencil and you're going to poke right through it so that it looks like this. And then do it with the other pieces of paper.
So now we're going to layer them up. So I'm taking double-sided tape and I'm going to put it at the bottom of my yellow piece of paper, just like this. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it on top of the orange one. And then I'll do the same with the red. So I'm putting this at the bottom and then I'm taping it on. So now you're going to have a little stack of papers and you're going to take your pencil again and you're going to just push that down. So you have a really crazy folded up piece of paper that looks like a kooky little flower. We're going to be putting our flowers on our card. So I'm going to take my tape again, and I'm going to make an X or a plus sign at the top of my card with the tape, just like that. Then I'm going to stick the flower right on top, like that. And I'm going to do it with the rest of my flowers.
Now we have our cool little lineup of flowers on the side of our card. And I'm just going to write my note to my mom now. So we're basically done, and now you can do whatever you want with the rest of the paper, just like this. And now I'm gonna write my mom a little note, just like that. And that's it. Happy Mother's Day, guys.